The 2018 Jeep Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, backup camera, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start, floor mats, cruise control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, rear defrost, front wheel drive, MP3 player. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.